Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Take a moment to imagine the impact on your life if you were to earn a substantial amount of money, specifically $2,000 per day. This amount of money would alleviate the majority of my financial concerns and provide me with the means to attain everything I desire. With such a significant daily income, you can easily fulfill your dreams and aspirations. Consider what I just mentioned a moment ago. This is absolutely true. There is a groundbreaking approach to making a substantial amount of money that is incredibly simple and straightforward. The most important aspect of this method is that it is completely free. You won't have to spend any money to implement it. What's even more remarkable is that you can access this method from anywhere in the world, regardless of which of the 7 continents you are on, and if you believe that's all there is to it, you're mistaken. I'm excited to tell you that this method can be utilized on any device of your choosing. It's an incredibly enticing approach, and I'm sure you're eager to get your hands on it. Without delay, let's dive right into the website for today's video, which is clickbank.com. If you're a regular viewer of my channel, you've likely heard me mention ClickBank frequently. The primary reason for my frequent mention of ClickBank is its high level of reliability. There are numerous possibilities with ClickBank, which leads to increased sales and significant income streams. Once you access their official website, you'll quickly realize the extent of their capabilities. As they state on their site, ClickBank offers dependable e-commerce tools, a worldwide affiliate marketplace, and top-notch support, all of which are essential components for success. These components, namely support, e-commerce tools, and education, are essential for establishing a business with a strong foundation. You can navigate the website according to your specific requirements since all the information is presented transparently. It's always prudent to have a clear understanding of what you're getting into, so feel free to peruse all the sections on the site. However, I'm not one to prolong things unnecessarily, so let's proceed. Take a look at ClickBank's marketplace. It's undeniably one of the best online marketplaces available. You'll discover a vast selection of product categories to explore, including but not limited to arts and entertainment, betting systems, business and investing, computer and internet, cooking and food, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction and games. There are even more categories to choose from, but for this particular method, I recommend focusing on e-business and e-marketing. This category will give you access to a diverse range of potential customers. To capture their interest, you'll need a product that is both captivating and marketable. Therefore, I suggest clicking on the e-business and e-marketing section to begin your search. Once you click on the business and e-marketing section, you'll be taken to a page displaying all the relevant products. These products are arranged in descending order based on their sales rank, with the most profitable item appearing first. Therefore, I highly recommend selecting the first product you see to avoid any unnecessary confusion or hassle. Although you could browse through each of the products individually, the website has already provided a shortcut for you, so you're in good hands. However, if you're not particularly fond of the top-ranked product for any reason, you're free to continue browsing the page to find other products that better meet your requirements. Just be sure to check the average dollar conversion, as it's the most important factor to consider when selecting a product to promote. Once you've found the ideal product, click on it and simply copy the affiliate link provided. Before we move on to the next step, let me take a moment to ask you to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're excited about what's coming up next, feel free to leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. So, where were we? We just finished discussing ClickBank, which means we're ready to move on to the next important website if you want to make good money from this method. The website is called InVideo.io, and it's an editing website that allows you to easily create stunning videos. They offer over 5,000 templates and a stock media music library, filters, transitions, and more. To put it simply, the next step is to use a website called InVideo.io, which is an online video editor that offers various features such as templates, music library, filters, and transitions. The best part about InVideo.io is that you don't need to download anything since everything is accessible online. Making a video on this website is an easy task and can be done by anyone, even a 10-year-old child. You might be thinking that creating videos takes a lot of effort, but it's actually a straightforward process. To simplify the process of video creation, you can make use of the over 5,000 templates available on the website. By selecting a suitable template, preferably one with bold themes, you can create a professional-looking video without requiring any meticulous skills. After choosing a template, you can proceed to customize the pre-made elements to fit your specific needs. The aim is to create a video that encourages viewers to visit and buy the product you're promoting, with a focus on e-business. You can choose from over 5,000 templates on the website and customize the pre-made elements by adding words related to the product. For instance, if the product is about starting an online business, the video can highlight this concept and persuade viewers to click on the product link. It's important to communicate the unique benefits of the product, as it can encourage viewers to make a purchase. To make viewers interested in your product, the goal of the video you create is to invite them to visit and purchase it. If you chose a product on e-business, then you can focus your video on starting an online business and encourage viewers to click the link to your product. Make sure to highlight the unique qualities of the product to increase their interest. When you're happy with your video, you can download it from the website and proceed to upload it on YouTube. Uploading the video is a straightforward process. To simplify, after creating and downloading your video from InVideo.io, the next step is to upload it on YouTube. Uploading is easy, just add a title, relevant tags, and a call to action in the description. You can also attach the affiliate link to your product in the description, and if you want to make it look more appealing, you can use TinyURL to shorten it. To summarize, the video has provided an easy and hassle-free method to generate income by promoting products through creating a video using InVideo.io and uploading it on YouTube. The process involves choosing a product from ClickBank's marketplace, creating a video using pre-made templates on InVideo.io, and uploading it on YouTube with an interesting title, relevant tags, and a call to action that includes the product link. The video ends by inviting viewers to share their thoughts in the comments section, subscribing to the channel, and liking the video.